everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, also known as the Thrifted Ginger, and I'm coming to you today with another ThredUP unboxing. This is the scrap fabric box. If you have not watched my other scrap fabric video, then definitely after this video go check that out. There was some awesome pieces in that scrap fabric box. So if you don't know, the whole buzz about the scrap fabric box from ThredUP is that people are getting some great items in these. It's not just clothing, it's or clothing fabric, it's, you know, new with tags items, designer items, which definitely go check out my last one if you've not seen it, because I was one of those people that got some stuff. So the day I done that unboxing, I actually ordered this box. I've had it here for about a week and I've just not opened it yet. I've just been crazy busy. And so we're going to get into it. So if you're not familiar with ThredUP, it is an online consignment store that you can go on and purchase things at a discount. You can also send items in for consignment as well. But they also do what are called mystery boxes, or rescue boxes as they call them on their website. And they have different ones. So this is the scrap fabric. And what it is they send you items in these boxes, and it can be things that are new with tags, things that are flawed, things that could not be resold. You never know what you're going to get, so it is a risk, but I wanted to check out another one of these boxes. So we're going to get into it. It comes like this. I've already undone the tape here. And so it comes with the green and white polka dot paper, and I've got my receipt here. And this is for the DIY scrap fabric. This box cost me $30. I can't remember how many pounds it is, but it was $30 plus shipping. And here we go. All right. So it comes and it's just loaded up with different things. So we're going to see what all we have got. All right, so the first item is this nice little scarf. It's really soft. It's like a little bit of a micro check, and then it's got the bigger check on the back. Fray hem. This is really cute. I use scarves a lot for my giveaways in my WhatNot auctions, so this will be a great one coming into fall to put into an auction for sure. All right, next piece. This looks like a top. Yeah, this is Merona, size medium. Just a nice little green shirt, cute. Probably just keep this for myself, actually. What else do we have? This is Simply Vera Wang. It's an extra small. It's got little ruffles. Let me turn the box sideways here, maybe that'll help. It's got little ruffles here. Cute little top. I'll probably put that into like a little WhatNot show. Some of the items that I get from these boxes, I don't care to, I wouldn't normally list them on Poshmark and take the time because it's not going to bring anything. But yeah, definitely this is something that I would look at for WhatNot because it's fairly cheap. All right, had a little bit of a computer glitch there. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. Got some more items. This is Calvin Klein. This is a size 8 petite. This is just a nice little tan tote blazer. Really cute. Probably put that into a WhatNot show. I don't typically resell Calvin Klein. I could send it back into ThredUP. That's what I do with some of the items I get, is I just send them straight back in. So we'll see. What are you? This is Sunday Forever. Does anybody know anything about this brand? Sunday Forever. This is like a black, oh, okay. This is like a little smocked dress with big bows. Okay. It feels like it's cotton. Oh, it's got slits. It's got pockets. Ooh, this is cute. I don't see a size in it anywhere. It looks to me like it could be definitely a medium, possibly a large. So yeah, I'll look that brand up. It needs lint rolled for sure. All right. The next piece is Spunkware, made in the USA. I don't know anything about this. This looks like a little tennis dress. It's got a little shelf bra. This is cute. Size medium. I've never heard of that brand. If you know anything about it, throw it in the comments. But I'll definitely look that up and see. You never know with some of these, especially made in the USA brands. You just never know. They can be really good stuff. All right. The next piece. Oh, this is pretty. This is Calvin Klein. This is a size 14. This is really nice. Look at the sleeves on this. How cute. That's nice for a little bachelorette dress. Even maybe like a little, I mean, you could wear this as like a little wedding dress, honestly. It does need, yeah, it looks like when it was sent into ThredUp, it was just kind of sent in straight from the person that wore it. So it definitely needs washed. But that's not a big deal. I'll wash that, hang it to dry, and then either send that back into ThredUp or put it on the RealReal. Not the RealReal. What am I thinking? RealReal does not take Calvin Klein. Put it in back to ThredUp or on WhatNot. This is Verona. This is a size extra small. This is a little white blazer. And see, this is not scrap fabric. This is close. It does have scrap fabric in it. It looks like it has a little bit of discoloration in the back. So I probably, I don't know what I'll do with that. I may donate that, or I don't know. We'll see. I'll check it out and look at the area discoloration. I may be able to OxyClean. If I can put it on WhatNot for, you know, $1 or donate it to Goodwill. This is Soft Surroundings. It looks like it's probably vintage Soft Surroundings. It's 100% tinsel. It is a tall, large. That looks like an older tag from them. This is cute though. It's a button front, long sleeve. Nice color for fall. So yeah, definitely I like this. I love selling Soft Surroundings. Soft Surrounding does really well for me. All right, next piece. This is H&M. This is a size 10. These are gonna go into a donate pile. They're a cute little pair of pants, cute print, but all of the belt loops, can you see that? Like, woof, yeah. We ain't fixing that. So that's going to go to Goodwill. What do we have next? This is cute. This is, okay, I don't know how to say this. Salon, size small, just a cute little skirt. Feels like rayon. Yeah, I like this. I'll end up putting this into I do a boho show every 2 weeks on WhatNot. It's I do a couple of themed shows, and that's one that I really love doing. It always does well, so I will put that into that boho show. The next item, this is No Boundaries. This is sold, I believe, at like Walmart. It says 3XL, size 21, but those sizes are never right. This is going to be more like an extra large. It's more size for juniors, but look at the sleeves of that. How cute. It's kind of like a little cottage core. Has the lace up the front. So yeah, I'll put this in my boho show on WhatNot. I would never sell that on Poshmark. But I will definitely put that into WhatNot, and I'll just put the measurements and what that would actually be size-wise. All right, the next item is Oysho. I have no clue. Size small, just a little cami. A cute little neutral cami with some lace. This is cute. Camis are making a really big comeback right now. It feels really, really nice. And it is, I'm looking for fabric. It's got lots of tags. It's 100% polyamide. So it's actually a nice little fabric content. I'll probably put this into a WhatNot show. Camis do really well over there. This is Artisan New York, size large, just a little floral sleeveless top. Just cute little top, rayon. I'll throw that onto WhatNot. This is Victoria's Secret Pink. It is a size large, and it's a little cropped shirt, a little burnout shirt. It does have the pink on the back here. I do see it has a little hole right there. And a little hole in the front as well. Yep, so I will just end up donating that. This is Massimo, which is Target. It's a size large. This is like a shirt dress. Like just a little black shirt dress, long sleeve. I guess it could be a tunic as well. It feels really good. It's 100% polyester. It feels very silky though. Very silky, very nice. Has a front pocket. The next piece has no tag, but is this tie-dye fleece sweatshirt. Just a nice little tie-dye graphic. Those do really well on WhatNot as well, so I'll be listing that over there. This is Forever 21, size medium. Just a little smocked seersucker front pocket dress. This would be cute, even for this time of year. It's that mustard yellow. This is fall 2022, or going into it. It's August right now. This would be cute with a little cardigan. Smocked back. So yeah, I'll throw that onto a WhatNot show. That's one thing I do love about doing WhatNot. Like, I can get these boxes and have other places to send these items besides just having to donate them. So I do feel like I can be a little bit more risky. This is Beldini. It's a size 2X. It's a navy and white top. And it has the lace detail, kind of nautical with the grommets. Just a short sleeve t-shirt. Really cute. Feels like a rayon. Viscose and spandex. So yeah, cute little shirt. Does have a little bit of wash wear. So, and that's it. So yeah, I mean, no designer items, but for $30, I've definitely got a few good pieces, a good couple of good Calvin Klein pieces, the soft surroundings top, the black sundress. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I'll make my money back on this with no problem. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. What was your favorite thing I got in the box? Would you be willing to pay $30 for a box like this? And yeah, I'm interested to see what your thoughts are. So drop them down in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, I would love for you to do that. And I will see y'all here next time. Bye.